Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Jetmatrix 007. Today I am review on a Mahindra brand Bolero Neo which has just launched in India. The Bolero Neo is offered in 4 variants, that is one is N4 model, N8 model, N10 and N10O, and the seating capacity is 5 seaters with twin jump seats in the third row, that means a 7-seater seat. And engine and transmission of Bolero Neo is, it gets the same 1.5 liter diesel engine as the pre-facelift 300. It makes the same 100 PS but puts out 20 Nm of more torque, that means 260 Nm. This unit is named to a 5-speed manual gearbox. The top specification N10O. Variants also gets a mechanical locking differential. The Bolero Neo is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, cruise control, a height adjustable driver's seat, keyless entry, and an instrument cluster borrowed from the Thor. Passenger safety is taken care of by dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors with reserve assist, and ISOFIX child mounts. The rivals of the Mahindra Bolero Neo are Nissan Magnite, Kia Sonet, Renault Kigar, Toyota Urban Cruiser, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Hyundai Venue, Tata Nexon, Mahindra Swift 300, and Ford EcoSport. Now I have to come to the point, that is what is the difference between the Bolero Standard and Bolero Neo. Mahindra's Bolero nameplate has grown to now accommodate the new Bolero Neo. We take a look at how different this more premium SUV is to the standard Bolero. While it may have the Bolero name on it, the Bolero Neo share little with the standard Bolero. The Neo is essentially an updated Mahindra 300 rebranded to join the more popular Bolero family. The two SUVs also share little in common apart from using the same diesel engine in different states of play. The Bolero Neo is also clearly the more upmarket of the two and aimed at a different clientele. We take a closer look at the two. First, the design. While both SUVs follow a similar basic design formula, a boxy and upright SUV sitting under the 4M mark, the designs are quite different. While the Bolero Neo is smoother, modern interpretation of the traditional SUV design, the regular Bolero is notably more old school with the wheel arc extensions, exposed door hinges, and flat window line. Mahindra though seems to have tried to provide some visual links between the two Boleros. The side body, module, molding, and clamshell bonnets are shared elements, while the Neo also gets the what Mahindra calls its X-shaped front bumper, a design detail on the regular Bolero as well. Coming to the sides, both models share an identical length and wheelbase. The Neo though is wider by a good 50 mm, while the standard Bolero trumps it in the height by about 63 mm. Now the mechanical difference. While the Bolero and Bolero Neo are both 4M SUVs and ladder frame chassis with longitudinal engines and RWD, there are some differences that start from the chassis. The Bolero Neo uses Mahindra's Gen 3 chassis that also underpins the Scorpio and new Thor. The Neo also gets the more modern suspension setup with independent front and multi-link rear, both with coil springs and stabilizer bars. The standard Bolero meanwhile is underpinned by an older chassis and gets a more basic suspension setup, pointing at the model's more basic and applications that involves moving heavy loads. The SUV also gets independent front suspension, but unlike the Neo's multi-link setup at the rear, it gets simpler leaf springs. Both the Boleros are Mahindra's 1.5-liter diesel engines, the M-Hawk 75 in the standard and M-Hawk 100 in the Neo. Despite the different numbers in the baggings, both still use the same basic engines, a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbo diesel, with the Neo featuring a variable geometry turbo for increased power. The Neo's unit puts out a Meteor 100 HP and 260 Nm, while in the Bolero, the engine develops 76 HP and 210 Nm. Both engines come with micro-hybrid technology. And the price. Now I come to the point of the price of this model. N4 model. It starts price 8.48 lakhs, and it's obviously on-road price. After the N8, it is 9.47 lakhs, and N10 9.99 lakhs. Thank you for watching my channel.